Hi, I'm Brent Fontenot, Plant Manager at AFCO Industries, and we're hiring. AFCO is the largest manufacturer inside the city limits of Alexandria. We primarily manufacture AFCO branded products for the home building industry. You can find AFCO products in many big box lumber stores. You may also be surprised to know that that trolling motor on your boat may have components that were manufactured right here at AFCO. We have been producing quality products at this plant since 1946. Today we employ over 200 workers in a modern 250,000 square foot facility. One of the main differences about working here at AFCO is that we are 100% employee owned. When you meet one of our workers, you're talking to an owner. Safety is part of our culture and one of our top priorities here at AFCO. AFCO offers a very generous benefit plan that includes medical, dental, vision, and life insurance, access to the private Legacy Health and Wellness Clinic, paid vacations, sick leave, and paid holidays. But what really sets us apart from other companies is the generous ESOP retirement plan, and that's at no cost to the employees. AFCO is looking to hire the best of the best, and many of those qualified candidates come from CLTCC. We're ready for you. If you think you have what it takes, AFCO's hiring. Are you ready for more?